Let's make smoked pork ribs from the smoker to the oven. I'm adding a little bit of apple chips and a little bit of hickory chips to my wood chip box. I preset my smoker to 275 degrees. Now I'm removing the membrane from the back of the ribs by making a small incision and pulling the rest with my fingers. I cut the ribs in half so they can fit into my smoker and have an even flow of air and smoke. For the rub, I'm using a mixture of salt, paprika, garlic, onion, black pepper, brown sugar, chili powder, and thyme. I'm doing a heavy seasoning on both sides of the rib. Make sure to season every piece of the rib. Now I'm placing the ribs into my smoker. The goal is to get the ribs to 170 degrees before I remove them. It took 2 hours to get the ribs to 170 degrees. Once they reach the temp, I'm placing 2 slats of butter and about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar on some foil. I'll place the ribs face down and wrap them tightly. Once I've wrapped all of the ribs, I'll place them into the oven at 200 degrees for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove them from the oven, unwrap them, and place them back onto your baking sheet. Coat your ribs in your favorite barbecue sauce and place back into the oven at 500 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes. The ribs were very tender and flavorful. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Comment down below and let me know how you cook your ribs.